Hello everyone, this is Dr. Meenakshi, sports physio. Today we are going to talk about sprained ankle. This is commonly occurs in athletes and in almost all the sports. It basically happens when your foot turned inwards. That will stretches the ligament present on the outside of your ankle and they are relatively weak, so they get stretched, overstretched or torn up. Okay. High ankle is not very common, but when it happens then you will find a great amount of swelling and tenderness above your ankle. And if you want to rule out any bony deformity, then go for Ottawa test, and if it comes positive then you have to see a doctor. See, if there is a mild amount of swelling is there and you can say that the pain is not much, then you will follow our preventive measures or the first line management, that is police. Police is what you need to protect that part. Okay, wear shoes, don't wear open footwears, and apply ice on that, but with optimum loading you need to perform. You need to do compression. Compression you can do with crepe bandage, and you can go for taping if you have your physiotherapist with you, and then you will elevate your leg. So this is the basic management line, and now I am going to tell you the exercises that will help in making your ankle more flexible and strengthen, and it reduces the chances of reoccurrence of injury. So let's catch up these exercises. Our first exercise is calf stretch. That is very necessary in sprained ankle. How you will perform it? See, this is my injured ankle. So, put it backside, bend it. You can take your hands on wall or something like this, and then go forward your body. See the position of my body and hold it. You will feel a very good amount of stretch along your Achilles up to your knee. Then hold it for 30 seconds at least, and you need to repeat it for 3 times. Come back. Again go. Hold it. Very nicely hold it. And come back. Make sure you are not uplifting your heel. Don't do like this. It should be on the ground. Okay, the next exercise is ROM exercises or range of motion exercises for your ankle. So how you are going to perform that? In your ankle you have dorsiflexion, plantar flexion, inversion, eversion, rotation. Okay, so to combine all these movements you need to perform or write ABCD with your ankle, like A, B, C, D, E, F, G. I make sure you have a good foot writing. Okay, this is your exercise for ROM of your ankle. The next is towel crunches. Okay, what is this towel crunches? You need to put a towel, or you can just put your foot flat on the ground, and you need to crunch it like this, that you are crunching the towel or anything that is below your ankle or your foot like this, and then stretch it out back. You are making the creases, and then releasing them. Just saw the motion I'm doing, okay, like this. See, the next exercise is pebble pickup. Okay, we have the pebbles here. So what you need to perform, just with your pick it up and place on other side, and pick it up, don't let it drop, put it other side like this. Pick up, drop, pick up, drop, pick up, drop. The next exercise is standing dorsiflexion. I explained that what is dorsiflexion. When you are putting like this your foot, okay, up. So this is standing dorsiflexion. Make your foot apart as the width of your hips, and then like this, like this. You will feel a good, contraction in front of your ankle up to your shin bone, and also feel stretches in your calf. Fine? Okay. The next exercise is isometric exercise, or you can say, you can combine them with strengthening exercise with the help of TheraBand. How you are going to perform that? TheraBand ko, put it like this, okay, and then you hold it here and then try to do plantar flexion. Can you see? See? Try to do plantar flexion, but I am resisting with the band and I am trying to, this is isometric, fine, because there is no movement, but I am trying to do plantar flexion, but there is no movement. This is isometric. And then on progression, what you can do, let it a little bit release and then perform like this and come back, perform like this, and slowly make sure that you are controlling the TheraBand. TheraBand is not controlling your motion. Fine? So like this, and slowly come back. Okay, next exercise for our ankle. To do this inversion, you need to do it like this and cross and use your other foot like an anchor. So you will do this inversion. This is inversion. Can you feel? Can you see? Like this. Inversion of your ankle. It will help in strengthening the muscles around your ankle. Then come for the eversion. For this, you need to do it like this and do the eversion. Eversion. You're turning your foot outwards. Don't do like this, okay? Like this, and like this, okay? Do it like this. It will help in strengthening. And full rotation after doing this exercise, and give a calf stretch. Calf stretch. You can help with the help of any towel or any, TheraBand also. You can do the calf stretches. Okay? Isometric. Fine. The next exercise is, previously I told you standing dorsiflexion. Now we are performing the resisted dorsiflexion. So tie like this your TheraBand and then make sure that you are sitting straight and do dorsiflexion. Good. Dorsiflexion. Yeah. Good, like this. Don't bend your knee and do it like this. Simple. Let's catch up the next exercise. The next exercise is heel and toe raises. So you will do like this. Try to raise as far as you can on your toes. Hold it for 10 to 20 seconds and go down. Then go for toe raise like this. You can take support. Then vapas. Again. On your toes. Good. Back. And then on your heels. Then you will progress with walking on your toes like this. Forward, backward, side to side, and side to side like this. Okay. Then you can progress to heel, walking forward, backward, then side to side, and then side to side. Okay. Next exercise we will perform for the balancing or for making more, to evoke your proprioceptions. Fine. For that we will do like this. Be on your both foot and like this. This is your injured part. See? So you will do star exertion test. Touch and come back. Touch, come back. Touch, come back. Touch, come back. Touch, come back. Cross, come back. Cross, come back. See how stable your ankle is. You can do on the lateral side also, and you can compare that how much stability you have in your ankle. Fine. Like this. Like this. You can perform the balance or stability exercise on Wobble board and on Wushu board also. So these are the exercises to strengthen and to make your ankle more flexible and stop the reoccurrence of this injury, because it commonly reoccur. You can progress to agility exercise on ladder. Different kind of agility exercises are there on the ladder you can perform, and more balancing exercise you can go for it. We will catch up with these exercises in our next video. See ya.